This is one of the most controversial videos about AI, sparking a heated discussion among teachers. I've seen teachers desperately searching for the ultimate detective, a reliable software to identify if students have used AI apps, such as ChatGPT. Other teachers are getting more creative. Recognizing the limitations of AI content detectors, they devise methods to catch students' foul behavior. Let's watch together a highly controversial video showcasing such a method that sparked a heated conversation among the members of the ChatGPT for Teachers group on Facebook.
You've never heard of using a Trojan horse in your essay prompt? This might just be the trick to help you identify AI-generated essays in your classroom. On my page, I've mentioned a few different things that don't work in terms of identifying AI, but this hack is pretty clever and can show you exactly what to look for without the use of any software or special programs. The term Trojan horse comes from Greek mythology, and it's basically a metaphor for hiding a secret weapon to defeat your opponent. In this case, the opponent is plagiarism. Let me show you what I mean. So I split my essay prompt into 2 paragraphs because I'm going to enter my Trojan horse at the end of the first paragraph. You can write whatever you want here. Just make sure you change the font color to white and make the font size teeny tiny.
Well, in my book, this is something teachers should not do. And keep in mind, I'm not the most ethical person around here.
So if this essay prompt is copied and pasted directly into ChatGPT, you can then just search for your Trojan horse when the essay is submitted.
Let me explain what she did. What she did was hide some text within the homework instructions, formatting it so it was not easily visible by the students. The idea is that the generated output the student will hand over to her will contain certain keywords that will reveal if ChatGPT was used. One might say this is a clever technique. Well, I won't. To me, the method used is unacceptably cunning, not suitable for teachers. Don't get me wrong. People will always try to cheat. Truth be told, I also believe that plagiarism is an issue. But what drove me to shoot today's video is that I dislike the teacher's approach to countering plagiarism. An educator's duty is to instill values in students and inspire them by example. If you adopt this technique, students will eventually realize it. The moment they detect questionable behavior from you, your authority will evaporate and their trust will fracture. After all, a teacher's mission is not just to share knowledge, but also to shape students' character. Putting the moral issues aside, there is a problem that runs deeper here. Rather than labeling AI assistants as cheating, we should examine the purpose and value of certain assignments. Let's be honest, when powerful language models can generate essays on demand, traditional homework fails as an authentic assessment. So, rather than cracking down the use of artificial intelligence, create a transparent environment, guiding the students in using it properly. There are plenty of guides to help your students do just that. In fact, I will share one of these guides in the end of the video. In my opinion, the central issue is that old school curriculums have stagnated while technology accelerates. Realigning the various curriculums for an AI-assisted era is paramount. But until this alignment becomes a reality on a top level, my suggestion is to embrace, not to block your students' first steps with artificial intelligence. Instead, teach them the skills and mindset of using this new technology in a beneficial way. And as promised, here is the video that will help your students embrace AI and support their academic journey by using ChatGPT ethically and effectively. That was all for today. Until the next time, see you!